Wanna know how to share notebooks from your Evernote account to any other account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Notebooks below all notes. Choose any of the notebook that you want to share. I really want to share this notebook known as Kiki's Delivery Service. Next to it is a three straight dotted lines on the right corner. Tap on it. You have an option of share on the top. Tap on share. Tap on this name or email and keep the name or email address that you want to share it with. I want to share with You Conspiring. This is the particular username of this account. And then tap on message below and keep any of the messages that you want to provide to them. When you're done keeping the message, tap on this airplane like an icon on the top right corner next to three straight parallel lines. You can see that your notebook is being sent, and you can confirm this by tapping on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner again. Tap on Walk Chat below Collect Photos. You can see that you have sent something to this particular username. Just tap on it, and yes, you have just sent this successfully. Tap on Notebooks next to it, and yes, you have shared this notebook particularly to You Conspiring. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.